In this video, I'm going to design cam and follower mechanism, and I will show the motion study after the create animation of that. So let's start how it is created on SolidWorks. First of all, we create two circles selecting the front view. Keep the dimension of the circle 40 millimeter and this 20 millimeter. Okay. Keep the relation between these two circles. Keep them horizontal. Okay. Now select 3-point arc and draw arc connecting these two circles. Okay. Draw another arc on the lower side of this sketch. Now we have to create some relation and assign dimension to this arc. Let's keep this 100 millimeter. This also 100 millimeter. Distance between center to center. Keep 50 millimeter. Okay, now make a tangent this arc and circle. Select this arc and press Ctrl and select this. Make it tangent. Select this circle and this arc. Make it tangent. Now select this circle and this arc. Make it tangent. Now select this circle and this arc. Make it tangent. Okay. Okay, that's fine now. Now I want to trim unwanted arcs. Okay. Now go to sketch, go to extruded boss base and extrude it up to 10 milli from mid plane. Okay. Choose a circle from here. Draw a circle and circle of 15 millimeter. Okay. Use feature extruded cut. Okay. Blind throughout. Okay. Now give some color to this object. Let's say okay. Save this object as a cam. Before saving, I'm going to show some axes. Okay. Okay, that's fine. Now you can save it. save it as a cam. Okay, now I am going to design follower for this. Plane white. Okay, sketch, select front plane, select circle. Give its diameter 10 millimeter. Okay, feature extruded boss base up to 80 millimeter. Keep it blind and extrude it up to 80 millimeter. Okay, fine. Now I'm going to chamfer this end to make it point on the surface. Keep chamfer distance 5 millimeter. Okay. Now if you want to fillet, you can fillet this. Okay, that's fine. Now okay, go to reference geometry, choose axis and choose this face. Select OK. Give it color. Let's say this. Select part. Now save it as a follower. Okay. After saving that, we will create third part of the cam and follower mechanism, that is housing. Okay, so go to part and design housing. Select here for better looking plain white background. Go to sketch, select front plane and draw two circles. Okay, give this 10 millimeter dimension and this 20 millimeter dia. Okay, now go to features, select extruded boss base, select it up to 10 millimeter, but from here select mid plane. Okay, give color to this object. Let's give it green. Okay, now give axis. Okay, and Control S and save it as a housing. Now it's time to assemble these components in such a way that it can work as a cam and follower mechanism. First of all, I will select assembly. After selecting the assembly, first of all I will have to create axis on this assembly. Go to reference geometry, go to axis. First of all select these two plane, front plane and top plane. Okay, again go to reference geometry, go to axis, this time select top and right plane. Select OK. Select show axis. Okay. Now exit this sketch. Choose top, normal. Okay. Now go to assembly and insert component. First of all, I want to insert housing part. We want to insert housing. Okay. Drop it here. Now right click on this object, use float, move, rotate this component. Okay. Now go to mates, select this axis and this axis, make it coincident. Okay. Now select this axis and go to housing part and select its top plane. Okay, keep distance 100 millimeter. Keep it 90 millimeter is enough. Okay. Now go to inside component. Select follower from part, open it in assembly and drop it here. Now choose mate. From mate, choose axis 1 of this component and axis of this assembly. Select OK, choose coincident. Okay, just drag it up upward direction. Drag it little bit upward direction. Okay. Now I'm going to insert third part, cam. Just open it, drop it here. Just move this component, rotate this component actually. Okay. Now go to mates. Basically I want to change the axis of this cam. So go to reference geometry, line axis. We have to choose this inner face. Select OK. Okay, select to save it, Ctrl S. Exit this sketch and go to assembly. Right now insert component. Go to cam. Insert this. Okay. Exit the sketch. Go to mate. This line and this line. Select OK. Now go to select this line, first one, and go to the part of cam. we have to select this plane, front plane of this cam. Select OK. Now this is the sample made. Now we will make it cam and follower. So choose here mechanical mates, choose cam path. This is cam path and follower points. This is edge follower, so we will have to choose this point. Okay, choose OK. Now you can see this can be rotated. In the next video, I will show you motion study of this cam and follower mechanism. Thank you.